There's a couple cats right here. What the hell? Okay. Just feeding the cats out here. One time I tried to scale up that, and it don't look like much from here. I got to about where those roots are at the base of that tree there, and I was shook, man. It is sheer. It's real sheer edge on that thing. These are the little hills of, I have hell with it. We'll just go take a look real quick. Been raining real good. Everything's coming down. More cats up here. Look at this. This place is just covered in cats. What's up, cat? Is this a bad omen? Hi, kitty. Okay, it's okay. Hopefully, maybe it turns out all right. I wore the wrong shoes out here, man. Yeah, you can see I got to about, I don't know, kind of where those, there's like a bunch of thin ones right there. That's as far as I made it, man. And I just wanted to see what was over the top, but it became too intense to get up there. There's actually a little rope you gotta hold on to just to get down. It's like a shoestring. And your boy picked the wrong shoes today. I thought I had some actual hiking stuff in my car, but I don't. No big deal. Just keep going. So I've been wanting to explore these little trails for some time here. Don't really know where they go, and that's probably more fun than already knowing. Got a bunch really cool plant life out here, and some cats as well. I mean, the shoes I have are just awful for this. They're canvas, they're Vans, they're low tops. Like, I don't know what. I'm expecting them to get like soaked, which is, I guess, fine. Ugh. Yep, all right. They don't have holes in them. There's no holes in these things, so I think that's gonna be some sort of help. It has not rained like this in a long time. Driving to the area, it's just completely covered in water. The waterways are just overflowing. It's awesome. Maybe find some newts or something walking around, or a salamander or something. No problem finding human garbage usually. So if you're watching my videos ever, I appreciate the what's it called? Viewership for sure. I got the GoPro, but I still gotta work out some kinks in the thing. And while I could make a cool video for this, but I will do another one with the GoPro here today. Make sure to subscribe, man. I never really know what's up here. My guess is probably not too much. I'm already getting winded. Good thing I brought a beverage that I'm gonna enjoy at some point. I think this will get to the point where I was trying to get up to the first time. Man, I know I'm not out of shape. Come on now. I just need to warm up. So over these hills would be like getting towards like Watsonville, towards like Capitola. On this side is all Gilroy, and then that would be facing west. Oh, here we go. It's starting to open up a little bit. Ooh, a little trail. Let's hit this one. Go back that way in a minute. I've seen this poor dude walking around with like just a sleeping bag around his head. Oh wow, look at this. What do you know? More houses. This is still pretty cool. You got some jumps right here. Wow. But this place is great to ride a bike in. Still, that's like all new Gilroy. And like I meant, through those hills, mountains, you're gonna have more of the direction to Watsonville and Capitola. Let's take more of a trail style approach to this. Something about rainy days going out in the wilderness. Or like, I guess it's still kind of wilderness. I mean, I hear, ooh, this is cool. Like, old man's beard, right? I think they call it. It's a good one. Come on, man. Nice and soft. It's probably loving this water. Good stuff. Just out here, just chilling by itself. Just falling off all the trees because of the rain. There's some more. Boy, it's really a lot of it out here. I mean, you gotta think how old these. I mean, what the fuck? How old these trees are. Someone's been here for something. This is the kind of stuff you just don't even want to know sometimes. Clearly been used as like a fire pit, which is terrible for a tree. But, you know, like you got here some remains of something. My guess, cat. Poor guy. Oh, here's some more. Oh man, I don't even know. Really don't know. It's kind of not a good sign. A lot of maybe a skunk or a raccoon. I don't know. Jeez, what the hell is this about? Got the giant hole there. I mean, dude, I don't know. Do you look further here, or you just kind of move on? What do you think? Well, just a old jacket. Ooh, nice little millipede chilling. Look, there's a salamander, a little guy. Hey, what's up? Didn't mean to wake you up. I love these little dudes. I get these in my backyard too. Nice little millipede right there. Yo, what up, dude? Maybe we'll put this back. Let them continue on their day. Okay. All right, that's kind of a cool find. This tree. Probably not best to stand too close to these old ass trees, man. You know? Been dried out for years. And we got some more. It is really coming down now. So far, shoes feel fine. A little wet. Not like it's that crazy of a trail. It's just cool to finally see this back side of this place. We got over here. I just don't understand why people litter, man. I mean, it's pretty rude. Ooh, what's up with this, man? Candles? Wow, okay. It's definitely a game trail right there. What's up with this? Is this a mushroom back here? Look at the size of that. Anyone know what kind of mushroom that is? Anyone? The candles are weird. That's definitely freaking weird. Man. When did that fall over? Let's see what's up with this trail over here. Maybe it's not a game trail. I think game trail's a little more worn than this. I don't know, maybe it is. Let's go see what's up through here. One thing I do not like, man, is ticks. No one likes them, of course. I detest ticks. And I think in these hills, I don't think it's the biggest deal. Here's some more mushrooms. Anyone know what kind these are? Someone's been through here recently, busted those mushrooms up. Let's take a look here. What more weird shit, man? What is this? Who like loses their jackets out here, man? I don't like that. Okay, I'll condom that. It makes more sense now. I mean, come on. Look at these. Got the sniffles out here, man. I'm gonna do a little tick check. Tick check, man. Make sure you don't bring them bastards home with you. I don't think I have any out here. I don't think there are any. Wow, these mushrooms clearly not doing well in the rain. What kind are these? Anyone know? Anyone know at all? See the little guys down here too. It is really interesting how much comes out with just a little bit of water. Sorry about the blurriness. Lens is looking okay still. This just kind of goes up and up and up. That's kind of where I was at earlier, so let's go back this way. I'm gonna go back. Nice little ferns going on. Yeah, cool. Having a hard time focusing. I need a new phone. Look at this nice one hanging off. Whoa, okay, a little slippery. That Vans waffle grip's good. But it Nothing like having a set of like boots or something to cruise around in. Man. They say these phones are waterproof. I believe it. Not with cracked glass though. This phone is taking a beating. There you go. Interesting right here. Maybe we got like item of clothing over here. What, I mean, what is going on with this place? I do not understand. A bizarre blanket. Now that looks cool. Look at that. That's pretty strange. Back up in here. Jeez, man. What do you suppose even happens here? It's a very strange clearing. Very strange clearing. Eerie stuff. Got some more over here. Some more mushrooms. A little jump or something. Let's see what we got down in here. That clearing is pretty strange. More like a bike track. I don't know. I've never been one of those people that like just know all kinds of mushrooms. Centrail, lion's mane, I don't know. What else they got? White mushrooms, I don't know. Elephant. Just making that up. Probably a real thing. Don't recall the name of these guys. I think these ones are edible or something. Someone tell me. I'm watching too many YouTube videos. It's funny, on a podcast I listen to, they talk about how, they go do like hikes and stuff for like 20 minutes. And then 20 minutes into the hike, they're just like, well, now that I've exerted about 6,000 calories, it's time to eat 5 like energy bars or whatever. I'm like, not even hungry. Break out some like Coleman propane thing and cook up like a 5,000 calorie meal. Exhausted. Absolutely exhausted. Oh man, I'm lost, dude. No signs of life anywhere. Like this fence. I'll go up here. This little trail here. Another trail. Did I already come through here? I don't know. I think I did. Yeah, I already came through this way. Pretty sure. Gotta love that green. More people lighting stuff on fire. Don't understand that. It's up here tweaking out, I guess, maybe. Damn, look at that. Just the way the water hits. I mean, that's nice.